Mike Bravo. You can make that request with the next controller. Just going to maintain 3,000. County 253 heavy 32. November 150 Mike Bravo. Contact Miami approach on 128.6. Have a nice day. American 1917, how's your ride through there so far?
Good so far.
Easy. Southwest 60, Miami approach. You can expect RNAV runway 10 left approach, and I believe uniform is now for an Lauderdale.
You got a dress uniform, and we'll expect the GPS 10 left.
November 67 Papa Whiskey, descend and maintain 3,000 and contact approach on 128.6. Have a good day. County 253 Heavy, 15 miles from grid, cross grid at 3,000, cleared ILS runway 9 approach, speed 210 or greater to grid. So establishment localizer, cleared ILS runway 9 approach.
060, maintain 4,000, 073, ILS 9, Gemini 3140.
Evening approach, American 2245, descending on
2245, Miami approach, welcome, expect ILS runway 9er.
ILS runway 9, American 2245.
American 2245, just reference to weather after next meter, so light moderate free tips, but smooth ride reported by company 73.
Excellent, thanks for the report.
Okay.
170, Aeronaves, contact tower 123.9, and you too, thank you, good day. Bye.
American 1917 traffic, no factor, just going to maintain 3,000.
Down at 3,000, American 1960.
Good afternoon, Yellow 1560 Heavy, descending through 12,000, going for 4,000, unable on a hold short, Miami.
West 1560 Heavy, Miami approach to surface, hit your latest Bravo, expect ILS runway 9er.
ILS, the runway 9er, we have Alpha taking on Bravo now for Yellow 1560. Heavy.
Thank you, sir. X-ray Alpha Romeo Tango Sierra, contact Miami approach on 128.6, have a nice day. Good day. Please let me know when you have the airport in sight.
You want me to call you with the airplane inside, confirm for Gemini 3140?
Gemini 3140, I'm registered just for planning purposes. Hello, 1560 Heavy, thank you, sir. American 1917, you're 4 miles from grid, flight heading 060, maintain 3000, so establish on localizer, cleared ILS, runway 9. American 2245, reduce to 210.
6210, American 2245.
Reduce speed to 180. Exact at 824, flight heading 100, maintain 9,000 for now. Southwest 521, contact Miami approach on 133.77. Have a nice day. American 345 heavy, Miami approach, expect ILS runway 9er. Base is going to be in about 4 miles.
Continue descending 2000, expecting the running right and that is 120. Descend and maintain 1,500.
Heading 360, descend and maintain 1,500. 136 heavy.
0, descend and maintain 5,000. Southwest 1405, contact Miami approach on 124.85. Have a nice day. Delta 1323, Miami first welcome, expect ILS runway 9er. American 345 heavy, reduce speed now to 210.
Slow down to 310,
American 744, fly your present heading to descend, maintain 3,000.
23-9, American 345 heavy, good day.
American 2536, intercept the localizer runway 9er on your present heading.
Intercept the loc on our present heading, American 2536.
Delta 1723, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, Delta 1323.
Sky 2105. Delta 1323 is 10 miles from leg, cross leg at 4000, cleared ILS, runway 9 approach.
Cross leg at 4000, cleared ILS.
2536, reduce speed to 10.
10, apologies for letting you know now, but we're unable last on 09 from American 2536.
American 2536, roger. Off until NS, contact tower on 123.9. Have a good day. 776 Heavy, mind the traffic 1405, turn right, heading 360, reduce speed to 182.
Right, 360, slow to 180, southwest 1405.
Number 580, Echo X-ray flight, heading 140 and 73. Miami approach, welcome, expect ILS number 580 Echo X-ray, contact Miami approach on 125.5, have a good day. Southwest 1405, contact tower on 123. Safe flight conditions.
2963 IFR light rain. Miami approach, buenas tardes, Columbia 4408, maybe 15,700, descended via Vice to Whitney Commission Brown.
American 757, reduce speed to 210. During 3147, contact tower on 123.9. Bye-bye.
Miami American 367, 11-9, sending you the sandball, any information, Bravo.
Giant 776 Heavy, descend to maintain 1,500.
Send 1,500.
You're 7 miles from grid, clear ILS runway 9 approach, maintain 210 knots until grid.
Okay, clear on ILS runway 9, maintain
367, reduce speed to 210.
210, 367.
is 4 from grid, heading 060, maintain 3000, still established, cleared ILS, runway 9 approach. Air Mexico 422, maintain 180 knots until NS.
Maintain 180 knots until NS, Aeromexico 422.
Mark Columbia 4408, reduce speed to 210.
210 speed, Columbia 4408.
Target 2963, speed 17.